Driving at night or in bad weather is safer with clean headlights. They help you see the road clearly. Dirty headlights can reduce visibility and make driving dangerous. Clean headlights also look better. Headlights get dirty from dirt, bugs, and weather. The sun can also make them cloudy over time. You can clean your headlights with things you have at home. You will need a bucket, soap, water, soft cloths, and toothpaste, non-gel, or a headlight restoration kit. First, clean your headlights with soap and water. Use a soft cloth to wipe away dirt. Next, put toothpaste on a clean cloth and rub it on the headlight in small circles. If you're using a kit, follow the directions. Then, use clean water to remove the toothpaste or cleaning solution. Make sure the headlight is completely clean. Finally, use a clean, dry cloth to dry the headlight thoroughly. Wash your headlights regularly when you wash your car. Waxing your headlights after cleaning helps protect them. By keeping your headlights clean, you are ensuring better visibility for yourself and other drivers on the road. Drive safe.